In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a song in Suno. To get started, go to suno.com in your web browser or open the Suno app on your device. Once you're there, log into your account so you can access the creation tools. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. After you're logged in, look over to the side navigation menu and click Create. This is the main area where you'll generate music, and it's where Suno turns your ideas into a finished song. If you're using the mobile app, the layout may look slightly different, but the Create section will still be easy to find. Now you'll see a prompt field where you can describe the kind of song you want Suno to make. This is the most important part of the process because your prompt tells the AI what style, feeling, and subject to build around. Try to be clear and specific. For example, you can mention the genre such as pop, rock, jazz, cinematic, or electronic. You can also describe the mood, like upbeat, emotional, relaxed, dark, or inspiring. Then include the topic or theme of the song, such as friendship, summer nights, motivation, heartbreak, or adventure. The better your description, the closer the result will be to what you have in mind. A short prompt can still work, but adding a little more detail usually helps guide the output in a more useful direction. Keep your wording natural and focused so the tool can interpret your idea more accurately. Once your prompt is ready, click Create. Suno will begin generating your song based on the details you entered. Depending on your internet connection and the platform's processing time, this may take a moment, so just give it a few seconds. That's all you need to do to create a song in Suno. The key is to start with a strong prompt that clearly explains your desired genre, mood, and topic. If the first result isn't exactly what you wanted, you can always adjust your description and try again to get closer to your ideal sound. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.